Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by making the camera object and immediately tagging it main camera so Unity APIs and scripts find it. Create or duplicate a camera, then set its transform to a sensible starting point. For example, position 0, 1, -10 and rotation 10, 0, 0. Once done, configure clear flags to skybox or solid color and choose a background color. Make sure culling mask includes the layers you want visible. These first steps establish intent and let you iterate on framing quickly. Next, tune how the camera renders. Decide between perspective or orthographic because this changes spatial perception. Set FOV to around 60 degrees for natural view or adjust orthographic size for 2D. Then set near and far clipping planes, near 0. 1 prevents Z-fighting, far as needed. Assign target texture if using render textures, and set depth to control camera order. If using URP or HDRP, make sure the camera uses the correct renderer and post-processing volume. These steps define visual output and performance. Finally, connect the camera to gameplay by assigning it in player scripts or using Cinemachine for smooth control. Configure viewport rect or target display when using split screens. Test across resolutions in game view and verify UI canvas render modes reference the correct camera. Once satisfied, bake lighting and validate performance. If things go wrong, here's a key troubleshooting tip. If your scene appears empty, check the main camera tag. Ensure the camera is enabled. Inspect the culling mask and depth order, and confirm clipping planes aren't excluding your objects.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.